Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I'll be showing you how to correct this problem. So this is a butter that has ended up looking so greedy because it came in crystallized. So this is a very simple fix. All you need to do is to melt it down. You don't have to think that it's a problem. It's not a problem. If you have a butter that doesn't melt properly, then you have a problem. That's not really a butter. Butters are supposed to melt when they hit the temperature that they are supposed to melt at. So this is kapuasu butter, and I'm just showing how it could come in grainy. So because it's not that hard, it's very sensitive to temperatures. So if you receive ours in a grainy form, all you need to do is to melt it down, and you can see it turned out looking creamy after you refrigerate it for just a short while. It doesn't need to stay too long at all. And you can just whip it, and it whips really nicely into a creamy butter. So just be rest assured that if your butter comes in greedy, it doesn't mean that it's low quality. It's just normal for butters. There is a lot of crystallization that goes on after it melts and resolidifies in transit. So this is expected. We cannot ship butters in ice packs and things like that. So it's good to know that you can easily fix this, and it would also still whip nicely, and you would end up getting a rich, creamy butter. I hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.